सकाळी मेरेन 30% वयर मतदान जाले तरी कांय कडेन कागाळी आयल्यो। खास करून कासावली आणि पणजे मतदात्यांच्या बोटाक लायिल्ली शाय रोखडीच पुसून गेली। कासावलीची आदली आमदार एलिना साल्दाना मिडिया मुखार ही गजाल हाडून दिली। पणजेच्या वोटरान हे एक स्कॅम तर न्हय अशें म्हणत ऑफिसरांक कॉल केलो। फुडें कांय ना, पळयात।
I'm really shocked that the mark for the voter that is put on the finger has suddenly disappeared just because I poured a few drops of water after having a cup of tea. Now, if this is going to happen with all the other voters, how are we going to ensure that the voting is done on principles?
To vote a little while earlier. This is my voting card. I voted. They put ink on my finger. I went home, just washed my breakfast plate, and the ink is gone. So what is the meaning of this? Is this another ink scam? I don't know. I don't know why that ink is put on the finger. And if it's not needed, why keep that girl sitting there putting ink on everybody's finger if it is just a formality? So I want to know. I'm going to meet the presiding officer to ask why has this ink gone. I remember before when we used to go to vote, as the nail grew, the ink would go higher. That was what it is. Now what is this new type of ink that they have brought? So I want to know, and this has not only happened to me, it has happened to a lot of people. A friend of mine, Rebani Saha, she voted in Sukur. She also said the ink has gone. Another 2-3 people have complained. So what is the meaning of this? We want an answer from the presiding officer, so I'm waiting to meet him.
Yeah, who is the presiding officer?
I don't know. He has to send me to the presiding officer. To the presiding officer, please. You're the presiding officer. I voted in the morning. And I went home. Everything is gone. So I want to know why is it this never happened before. I don't know why. Is it a new ink scam? I don't know why it has happened because before, as the nail would grow, the ink would go higher and then you would get rid of it. Can you tell me what is the reason for the ink going? In 5 minutes that I reached home. Can you please tell me?
मॅडम इंक बरे क्वालिटीचे ना, इंक बरे क्वालिटीचे ना, इंक क्वालिटी ना, बट तिचे कशे गेले?
Why did mine go and so many people? It's not only mine, even in Sukur, people who voted the ink is going.
आणि ही नावेली मांडोवपाच्या बुतावयल्यान आयिल्ली कागाळ। आयकात अनास्तासियो कार्नेरोक।
I'm Anastasio Carnero, नावेली 33 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पार्ट 7 मांडोवपा। हांव आतां वोटींग करून येयल्लो। हे पळय तुमकां दिसतलें हे इंक लायलां, हे हातीचें इंक गेलां, हे इंक उरना। I have already reported RO, I have reported ARO, I have reported sector officer right here. So now they said they'll go through this and they'll do the inquiry. हांव मागता हेजे तारो इन्क्वायरी जावची। वोटींग करतोस हातीक इंक लायता, इंक गेलें आनी हे भाशेन तर इंक गेला। I have a doubt there can be malpractice in this voting process. I've been a sincere citizen, law-abiding citizen. I brought it to the notice of the election officers. I already informed RO, I informed ARO, I have informed sector officer. So this ink, whatever ink is used, I think maybe the ink validity is gone or it is an expiry stock. They need to check and they need to do the inquiry. And malpractice should not happen maybe in my booth or in my constituency or all over Goa. This is what is my concern. हांव मागता हेजे तारो इलेक्शन कमिशनरान इन्क्वायरी करची। कांय ना, इंक गेलां पळय।
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, रमेश नायक राऊत, विलियम रॉड्रिक्स आनी संगीता ओली।